Is your equipment often vibrating, making abnormal noises, or severely worn? Don't just deal with the symptoms without addressing the root cause. The problem may lie in the connection. If two shafts are misaligned, it's like two people dancing, with inconsistent steps, and competing against each other. The coupling is the buffer here. It absorbs deviations and vibrations through its own flexibility, protecting both the motor and the equipment from damage. Choosing a good coupling can save you a lot of maintenance costs.